everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this 21st century slow release iron. I needed an iron supplement. I was taking a different one and it was making me really ill. It was really hard on my stomach. I felt terrible after taking it, but I did need to supplement with an iron supplement. And this brand has been amazing because of the slow release. It's not hard on your stomach. It doesn't make you feel sick, which was my problem. And I think it's a lot of people's problems. That's why they make the slow release. This has helped me so much. I don't get dizzy spells anymore. I have much better energy. Iron's a really important thing that you need in your diet at all times. So supplementing to make sure that you get your full dose every single day is really going to help. It's helped me so much. My husband also takes it. He's seen an increase in his energy. He feels better. Iron is just super important, and having something that isn't going to hurt your stomach and isn't going to make it hard to take every day is great. This is 60 tablets. And it lasts quite a while. I only have to replace that every couple months. And I have just absolutely loved it. There's 45 milligrams per tablet. So it is just the recommended daily dosage. I would highly recommend you look into this if you're looking for an iron supplement that isn't going to make you feel not quite as good as you would like. So I would, totally recommend looking into this one. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you.